Counting 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50.
That was awesome.
What number belongs here? 30,
No!
25,
No!
22.
Yes!
Correct. What number comes after 23? 27,
No!
28,
No!
24.
Yes!
That's right. What number comes next? 20,
No!
25.
Yes!
Correct again. What number comes after 26?
22,
No.
24,
No. Try again.
27.
Correct. Now you see 28, 29. What comes next?
20,
No. Try one more time.
25.
No, you can do it.
Oh, I've got it. It's 30.
Yes. You did it. You are on a roll. Let's continue. 31, 32. What number comes next? 35,
No!
36,
No!
33.
Yes!
Correct. What number belongs here? 32,
No!
33,
No!
36.
Yes!
Yes, that's correct. How about here? 30,
No!
34, 38. That's right. Let's think carefully now. What number comes after 39? 31, 35, 40. Correct. Great job. "31, 32. What number comes next? 35,
No!
36,
No!
33.
Yes!
Correct. What number belongs here? 32,
No!
33,
No!
36?
Yes!
Yes, that's correct. How about here? 30?
No!
34?
No!
38?
Yes!
That's right. Let's think carefully now. What number comes after 39? 31?
No!
35?
No!
40?
Yes!
Correct. Great job! Tracing the number 2. Start at number 1. Make a curve following the arrow to number 2 like this. Then continue from number 2 and follow the arrow. Now, you have the number 2. Tracing the number 3. When tracing number 3, we're going to make 2 curves. Start at number 1. Make a curve following the arrow to number 2 like this. Continue from number 2, making another curve and follow the arrow like this. Now, you have the number 3. Tracing the number 4. Start at number 1 and follow the arrow downwards like this. Then go to number 2 and follow the arrow downwards again like this. Now, you have the number 4. Let's put your counting skills to the test. How many frogs do you see?
1, 2,
Correct. You have 2 frogs. How many dinosaurs do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's right. 4 dinosaurs. Do you see the animals on their race car? Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Great job! Look at those yummy apples. They look delicious. Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Correct again. 15 apples. Now this is a little tough. Can you count the eggs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Fantastic! There are 20 eggs. You are awesome. Let's play a game. Can you pair up the objects with their matching numbers? Can you tell me which of these objects are 6 in number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 monster trucks.
That's correct. Can you find and count the objects that are 2 in number?
1, 2. 2 tigers.
That's right. Do you see the butterflies? Try and match it to its correct number.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies.
Good job! Tell me which object is 10 in number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 carrots.
Excellent! Now, which of these is just 1?
1. 1 dinosaur.
Correct again! Can you match the object to its correct number?
1, 2, 3. 3 bunnies.
That's right! You are amazing! Let's review the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.